Welcome to this comprehensive review of the Envato Market Affiliate Program. Envato Market is a leading platform for digital assets like themes, templates, graphics, and more. As an affiliate, you can earn a commission by referring customers to buy these items. I'll take you through my experience using the Envato Market Affiliate Program, focusing on the features, commission structure, and overall user experience. First, let's start with the registration process. Joining the Envato Market Affiliate Program is straightforward. You'll need to sign up with an Envato account, then apply to their affiliate program through the affiliate dashboard. Once approved, you'll get access to your unique affiliate links and tracking tools, which allow you to monitor your sales and commissions. The commission structure is one of the most appealing aspects of the Envato affiliate program. You earn a percentage of the sale made through your referral link. This percentage varies depending on the item purchased, but generally, it ranges from 30% to 50%. The higher the item's price, the more you earn per sale. This can be a great opportunity for those who can generate consistent traffic or target buyers looking for high-quality digital assets. Navigating the affiliate dashboard is simple and intuitive. You can view detailed reports, track conversions, and get access to a variety of promotional materials, including banners, text links, and product showcases. These tools are designed to help affiliates create better campaigns and improve their chances of earning commissions. As for payments, Envato Market handles everything through PayPal. It's a convenient and fast way to get paid, with payments being made monthly. However, the minimum payout threshold is $50, which means you'll need to reach that amount before receiving a payment. It's a reasonable threshold, but it's something to keep in mind as you plan your strategy. One thing I want to mention is how easy it is to integrate the affiliate program into your content, whether it's blog posts, YouTube videos, or social media. The links are simple to incorporate, and there's no need for any technical knowledge. The program also offers excellent support to affiliates, helping you troubleshoot any issues that may arise. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources that will help you grow your affiliate marketing efforts, including tools and guides that are not related to Envato, but can be valuable for your journey. In conclusion, the Envato Market Affiliate Program offers solid earning potential for anyone looking to monetize their website or blog. The commission rates are competitive, the tools are effective, and the payment process is straightforward. If you're interested in digital assets and want to earn passive income, this could be a great opportunity for you. Make sure to like this video if you found the review helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tips on affiliate marketing.